Hi guys, in front of me is Oppo Reno 8T, and let me show you how to add photo to contact. First of all, you have to open your phone dialer, then mark the contact that you wish to add this profile picture to, select edit icon and click on add picture. Now select add photo, and you can either take a photo if someone is staying right in front of you. So this is how it looks like. You will just have access to your camera and then you will be able to grab a photo, or you can choose something from your gallery. Wakey. Okay, so now it is loaded. Pick the picture that you want to apply to this contact. Customize it however you like, tap on confirmation mark, then tap on save, and that's it. From now on, this picture is assigned to your contact, and anytime this number will be calling you, you will be able to see the profile picture at first. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.